Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the general structure of class. You know, class nothing but the general structure of class. Also, then there are four parts in the general structure of class. Okay, if you want to write a class declaration, must and should you want class name. Then inside you want access specifiers, data members, and member functions. Okay, always it is closed with the class can be closed with the semicolon. Okay, last class you discuss about this. Okay, now today class you have to discuss about the array used as a data member. Okay, how can be array can be used as a data member in class. Okay, how the array can be used as a data member. Okay, see, you know already data member. What is data member? Data member nothing but what is data member? Data member the variables declared inside the class, that is called data member. Data member ಅಂದ್ರೆ direct variables. Okay, for example, in class if you take array as a data member, what happen? Okay, what happened? 2 marks question ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Okay, how the array can be used as a data member in class. How the array can be used as a data member in a class? You know array nothing but what? It is a collection of elements which can how to declare a array int a of 10. This one array nothing but what? It is a collection of elements which has the same name, same data type, and you have a different memory locations. Okay, same name, same data type, that is nothing but that is called array. Okay, ಈ arrayನ ನಾನು I want to use this array in as a data member in class. As a data member in class, how to use the array as a data member in class? See, very easily, you know already the definition, how to write the definition of a see, you know how to write a class definition. For example, take one class I'm taking the student class student, then you want private. In private section, what you have to take here? In private student related data means you take roll number, int roll number, then char name 20. Just this is nothing but array. Name 20 means nothing but it is array means you can store how many characters in this? 20 characters you can store. For example, ನಾನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ, how many characters you have? 6 characters. You can store it up to 20 characters you can store in this is nothing but array. Okay, now see, in class array can be used as a data member. Array, this is see, this is normal data member. ಇದು ಏನಿದು array used as a data member. Okay, array used as a data member. Then ಮತ್ತೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? See, float fees, then close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket with the ಇನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ. Then in public section, you have to write void read. What are the functions of void display? Then close the bracket with the semicolon. This is what this is an example for a array used as a data member in class. How many data members in this? You have there are 3 data members, roll number, name, fees. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ array used as a data member ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? array used as a data member means name of 20. Okay, name of 20 means that is a array ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, and that's why it is a array. Okay, see, now array used as a data member in class. Now I am in class I am using the in class I am using the array as a data member. Okay, for example ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay, name ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What happen? Only it takes only one character. It takes only one character. It is not array. It is a normal variable. It is normal variable cap name. normal variable. Okay, if you want to give array means you have to write 10 character you can store. This is nothing but array. Okay, in examination ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 2 marks question or 3 marks question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 3 marks question ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ already so many times. How the array can be used as a data member in class. Okay, how the array can be, first you have to write array definition, then you have to array can be used as a data member in class. How means you have to give one example, small example, this is this much only. Okay, idna ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. See, this is nothing but array as a used as a data member. Array used as a data member. Okay, this is what this is about, the array used as a data member in class. 4 to 5 times already asked in the annual exam. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, the next one is see, array used as a object. Next, see, array can be used as a object. Array can be used as a object. Object ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾರಪ್ಪ, in class ಅಲ್ಲಿ see, class ಅಲ್ಲಿ object in wide main you have to write a object. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, okay, what happen, array can be used as a object. How the array can be used as a object, that you have to study. See ಇದನ್ನ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Okay, you know already object, how to declare object ನ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ class name, object name. Okay, this is you have to remember, class name ಮತ್ತೆ object name ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, object ನ always in void main ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. means now you have to ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Then next I want to write this read and display member functions outside the class. ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಾನು you must and should you have to take a scope logician operator ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, you are getting errors. outside the class ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, okay, ಅದು inside the class ಬರೆದ್ರೆ you can write it, okay, but it's confusion. take outside the class ಬರಿತೀನಿ. for example, void read, how to write void read, set void class name ಏನಿದೆ student is a class name, scope logician operator, then read means input. ಏನು input ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, I want to display student roll number name fees. I want to display one student roll number name fees display ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. then cout enter roll number name fees, then cout cin roll number name, then fees. ಇದು input type. this is one read type. next display ದಲ್ಲಿ you have to display ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. how do they display, then void student scope logician operator, then display ದಲ್ಲಿ cout, okay, cout ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to write here roll number name fees. ಎರಡು ಆಯ್ತು. okay, now you have to write void main student. how to declare object by using a class name ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ student ತಗೊಂಡು then I am writing a s of 100 means what. now heading ಏನಿದೆ, array used as a object. now this is array of object. array can be used as a object. okay, ನಾನು only yes ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it means what, it is only normal object. okay, if you write s of 100 it is nothing but array of object. It is nothing but array of a ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ means nothing but see it is also has a collection of same data type, collection of same data type of a object. Okay, that is called array of a object ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. See array of object also you can declare student s of 100. It means what? See, I will tell you. See, then CLR SCR, it means 100. It means s of 100 means you can display up to 100 students roll number name fees. You can display 100 students name roll number fees. Okay, for example ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It means what? You can display 10 students roll number name fees. Okay, ಇದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Is it array of object? No, it is not array of object. Okay, only yes ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Yes means no, only it display only one student name roll number fees. Okay, okay, for example I am writing here array ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. For example 100 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it means what? Nothing but array of object. Array of object means okay, array used as a object ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ you can display many students roll number name fees. Okay, ನೀವು array ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ must and should you have to display one student roll number name fees. Okay, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. s of 100 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 100 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ದು ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the okay, then CLR SCR then see the next one is you know how to enter. See, then you want the array code andre must and should ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ int I n ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ int I n. then how to input ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to use for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus then you can write s of I dot read function. Then this is for a input. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus s of I dot display. Then get ch. Otherwise you can write cin ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ you can write a cout also. Okay, this is the program. Okay, for a array used as a object 5 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. explain how the array can be used as a object. Otherwise they will ask you what is array of object, explain with example. Okay, explain with example. ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ array can be used as a object. Okay, array can be used as a object. How? See here, array can be used as a object. Array can be used as a data member andre must and should you have write this much. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. array can be used as a object ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ must and should you can write white main. How it will executed? See, first I am student s of 100 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. first I am s of 0 dot read. s of 0 first student read ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ first student roll number name fees will be entered. This is for entering purpose, this is for displaying purpose. Okay, first then another I will be incremented by 1, then s of 1 second student do roll number name fees enter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. third ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, for example if you given how many elements, for example you can give here how many elements in n. ನೀವು for example 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಿವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ cout how many students in n. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು 3 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 3 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿ 0 1 2 0 1 2 means first ಗೆ s of 0 dot read dot read. You know how to access member function. ಎಷ್ಟು member functions ಇದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See, read and display, these are the two member functions you have. access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to use a dot operator ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to access s of I ನ s dot read ಬದಲಿ ನಾನು s of I ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ array used as a object. s of I array used as an object, that's why I am taking here instead of s dot read I am taking s of I dot read. Okay, this is a specialty of these are special programs. Okay, array of how the array can be used as a object. Okay, ನೀವು for example how many elements 3 elements ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 elements ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 student roll number name fees ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is what in this example the very important you have to know which is the class name in this. Class name is a student. Then which are the access specifiers in this? Private and public are the access specifiers. What data members ಯಾವ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ roll number name fees, these are the data members. The special data member is ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂದರೆ is array of ಅದು it is nothing but array used as a data member. Okay, then read and display are the member functions. Member functions ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? The functions which is used inside or outside the class, that is called member function. ಇದನ್ನ member function outside the class ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to use a scope resolution operator. Scope resolution operator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು function ನ ಬರೆದು then void main always how to create object can be created by using class name object name. Okay, this is nothing but array of object ಅಂತಾರೆ. Only s ಬರೆದರೆ that is nothing but object. s of 100 ಬರೆದರೆ that is nothing but array of object. Array can be used as a object. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ we have to in s we have stored okay roll number name fees read display ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, this is you have to remember. If you want to access member function member function access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? must and should you have to use a dot operator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to access. Why I am taking here for loop? ಎಲ್ಲಿ array ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ for loop ಇರುತ್ತೆ. for loop with in statement, for loop with cout statement. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. This is what ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ 5 marks ಗೆ. I explain how array can be used as a object. Okay, like these questions asked. Otherwise for 3 marks question ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? array used as a data member. How the array used as a data member. Okay, these type of questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. You have to practice this. Very standard questions ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. Okay, next class we discuss about the next topic. Okay, if you have any doubts you have to message me. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವನ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಈಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ array used as a data member and array can be used as a member functions. Okay, this next class we discuss for another topic. Thank you for watching this video.